Okay, I have the hiccups again, so I'm gonna try this little thing I got. Ugh, it's this what's it called? HiccAway. This little straw thing. I made a video. I've had the hiccups a bunch this week, and they drive me crazy. But I got this little HiccAway straw. It's linked below. If you want it, you're gonna want it after you see how it actually works. But you literally just put some water. I'll do it in real time, so that way you just put some water in a cup. Hold on. In a shallow cup, using my little hiccup mug here. And then the straw has like the, oh my God. Oh, so you put water in here, and then the straw has this little cap that pops off, and there's like little air holes, and then you align the air hole on the cap with the adult side or the child side. So obviously I'm gonna do the adult side. So, and then you put it in here and you just drink water through this straw and your hiccups will go away. It's for real. So watch. So now I'll just wait and see if they're still here. And I'm not cutting this video at all. It worked. I will never get over this actually working. Yep, they're gone. So get one of these for sure. We keep them in our little drawer with our other regular straws, but I don't know how it works, but it does.